This beautiful dependable family car is very affordable and has many nice features. It also has a clean Carfax, both sets of keys, and is a one-owner vehicle. Please call Dan Schumacher for availability and details at 208-571-6676.